Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this type of question. Find x. So we need to find out x, and the question is, this is given to us, root x plus square root of x minus square root of 1 minus x equal to 1. So this is our question which is given to us. Now these are the options: 4 upon 5, 5 upon 4, 16 upon 25, 25 upon 16, and the last one is very tough. This question is very tough. We can't do it, or it is impossible. So let us see how we can do this type of sum, or we can do it or not. Let us try to solve it. So let's see the solution part. First of all, the question is root x plus square root of x minus square root of 1 minus x equal to 1. So this is our question. So basically this is our question. Now whenever you see such type of question where roots are given to you, you can see that this is root x, then again this is under root x minus, then again square root of 1 minus x. So whenever you see roots, try to first remove the roots. Okay, so first of all we will try to remove the roots. If the roots are removed, then it is easy to simplify. So whenever you see such type of questions, first try to remove the roots. Okay, so first of all, what we can do in this, first this part root x, I am first taking it that side, shift this term here. Okay, transpose it. So what is left to left hand side? This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, so this side x minus under root 1 minus x is left, and this root x I'm shifting there, so we will get 1 minus root x. Now we have one term here and one this two terms here. Okay, now as I told you, first of all we need to remove the roots, then only we can solve it easily. So how to remove roots? We can do squaring both the sides. So let's do it. So we have to square. So squaring both the sides. So both the sides we will square. So this way squaring, and here also squaring. So we are squaring both the sides. So what will happen now? After squaring with this square, this root gets removed. This root, the outer one. Okay, this root gets removed with this square, and we are left with x minus square root of 1 minus x. So this root will not get removed. This outside root will get removed with this square. Now this side 1 minus root x the whole square. So here we will apply the identity of a minus b the whole square. And what is the identity? A minus b the whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is our identity of a minus b the whole square. So with the help of this identity, we will open this bracket. So in place of a, we have 1. So a square means 1 square. So we will get 1. Now minus 2a into b. So minus 2. A is 1 and b is root x. So if you multiply this, you will get root x. So minus 2 root x plus b square. Last term is b square. In place of b, we have root x. And if you square it, what will happen? Root will get removed. So we will get only x. So this way you will remove, you will open this bracket, okay, by a minus b the whole square identity. Now moving ahead. So when you move ahead further, you can see that this x and x from both the sides, we can cancel it off. This plus x, when we will shift here, it will become minus x. So obviously this both will be removed. Now we are left with this 1 minus 2 root x. Okay, and this minus and this 1 minus x under the root. So we are again shifting the terms. So what I am doing, this is negative term, so I am taking it that side, or you can keep it as it is. So here what is left? Minus square root of 1 minus x, and this side 1 minus 2 root x. So this much part is left. Now again we have to square. You can see again we have to remove this root now. So again squaring both the sides. So again we will do squaring both the sides. So again squaring. So this whole part you are squaring. Again here this whole part you are squaring. So again squaring both the sides. Now again open the bracket. So first of all minus is given. So if you square it up, it will become plus. Minus minus becomes plus. So minus will get removed. Next square is there. So this root will get removed. So this root also got removed with this square. Now we are left with 1 minus x. Okay. And this side again a minus b the whole square. So we need to again apply this identity a minus b the whole square, and that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. In place of a we have 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 2ab. So 2 and a is 1 and b is 2 root x. So 1 2 already we have and 1 2 of identity. So 2 2s are will give you 4 root x. So this is the middle term 2ab plus b square. B square means the last term you have to square it up. So 2 root x. This is our b. Now you have to square it. Okay, in place of b we have 2 root x. Now square it up. So 2 square will be 4 and root x, if you square up it will become only x. So here you will get x. Okay, so what you are getting? Here you are getting 1 minus x and this side you are getting 1 minus 4 root x plus 4x. Now this minus x I'm taking there. Okay, so it will become positive x. Now before I do that, you can again see that 1 and 1 we can cancel from both the side. Okay, now this minus 4 root x I'm shifting this side. So this was negative. When I shift here it will become positive. So it will be 4 root x. Now this side I have already 4x and this minus x I'm shifting there, so it will become plus x. So I'm getting 4 root x equal to 5x. Now we can add this, so 5x. Now again if you see, again we have one root over here. We want to find the value of x, not root x. So again we need to remove this root. So again what you need to do, you know now, because we have done it 2 times, right? So again we need to square up. So again squaring both the sides, same cheese. Okay, same thing we are doing again. So squaring both the sides. So this side 4 root x we have to square up and this side 5x we have to square up. So after you square up, here 4 will become 16. Okay, 4 square is 16 and root x will become x. This side 5 square 25 and x square will be x square. Now if you see, here x is 1 time and here x is 2 times. So 1x can be cancelled. So out of this x square and x, 1x can be cancelled, but 1x still remains here. Okay, so we are getting 16 equal to 25x. Now we want to find out x. So this 25 we will shift it here below 16. So x will be equal to 16 upon 25. So x will be equal to 16 upon 25. So this will be our answer. Okay, so our final answer is 16 upon 25. So this will be the value of x. I hope you understood. So out of these 4 options, now we know that this question was not very tough. So this option gets cancelled off. Now out of the remaining 3 options, this 1, 2, 3 and 4 options, 16 upon 25, where it is given, you can see it is given here, C1. So this option C, 16 upon 25, this would be the correct answer for this type of question. I hope you understood.